Your Ioniq Electric can provide up to 170 miles of driving range on a full charge, and there are 3 ways to charge it, each with a very different charging time. Level 1 is the simplest and also the slowest. You plug one end of the Hyundai portable charger into a standard 120-volt household outlet and the other into the charging connector port on the rear of your vehicle. At a typical charging rate of 1.2 kilowatts per hour, it takes about 36 hours to fully charge the battery from nearly empty. Level 2 charging is much faster and requires a 240-volt charger. You might have one installed at your home or use one of the thousands of public chargers all across the country. Level 2 chargers deliver over 7 kilowatts of power per hour. That adds up to nearly 32 miles of range per hour of charging. You can go from nearly empty to 100% in approximately 6 hours. Both Level 1 and 2 chargers use the same type of connector to plug into your Ioniq Electric. It's commonly called a J-plug. Then there is Level 3, or DC fast charging. This high-speed option is only available at DC fast-capable public EV stations. Not all DC fast chargers are the same. A 50-kilowatt charger can provide 80% of charge in about 57 minutes. A 100-kilowatt charger can do so in around 54 minutes. Charging speeds drop considerably after reaching 80%. To plug in a DC fast charger, your Ioniq EV requires what is commonly called a combo connector, as do many other EVs. Some automakers use a CHAdeMO connector, while others have their own proprietary type. Not every DC fast charging station offers a combo connector. Be sure to check available connector types when searching for stations. No matter what type of charger you use, you need to access Ioniq EV's connector port. First, make sure your vehicle is unlocked. Press the charge door opener button located on the driver's side dash panel. Open the door and remove the dust caps. Then, plug in the charger. You can check to see if the vehicle is charging from outside the vehicle. The dash charging indicator will illuminate to show the charge level. To learn more about this indicator, see the How the Dash Charging Indicator Light Works video. In addition, the charging indicator on the instrument cluster will be illuminated. If you are at a public station, you can also look at its display screen. You might also check the remaining time message on your vehicle's LCD screen. This appears for the first few minutes of charging and shows how long it will take to reach maximum driving range. It also shows current battery level and the charging station's power output. Here's another feature that you may find useful: the locking charging cable setting. If you lock your vehicle while plugged in, the charging connector will normally be locked in place too. But you have the option for the connector to automatically unlock when charging is complete. That allows other people to disconnect the charging cable and use it themselves. It's a common courtesy at public stations. On the LCD display, go to User Settings, then Convenience, then Lock Charging Cable. Here you have 3 options. Selecting While Charging will lock the charging connector during the period while it is charging. It will automatically unlock once charging is complete. Selecting Always will lock the charging connector at all times, even if charging is complete. Selecting Do Not Lock will let the connector remain unlocked at all times, even when charging. Once charging is complete, remember to replace the dust caps.